Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the leaked Google Health logo that might replace the Fitbit app. This is huge news for all you fitness enthusiasts out there, so let's dive right in. The new Google Health brand is going to feature a heart icon that appears to be drawn with a brush. It's a stroke that doesn't fill the entire heart shape, leaving some negative space, and it's more obvious than the series of dots that make up an arrow in the current Fitbit logo. The heart icon will be leveraging the same gradient color scheme that we've seen in other Google apps like Google Fit, Gemini, Home, Photos, and Maps. It's predominantly blue with a touch of purple and some green and yellow, with red completing the palette. This icon is already appearing alongside Google Health Premium and some international Google stores after adding a Pixel Watch or Fitbit device to your cart. Now, let's talk about the design and build of the Google Health app. From what we've seen so far, it looks like the app is going to have a similar design language to other Google apps, with a clean and minimalistic interface that's easy to navigate. The app will likely feature a range of different sections, including a dashboard for tracking your daily activity, a section for monitoring your sleep patterns, and a section for tracking your nutrition and calorie intake. In terms of specs and performance, we don't know too much just yet, but we can expect the Google Health app to be highly optimized for performance, with fast loading times and a seamless user experience. The app will likely be available on both Android and iOS devices, and will be compatible with a range of different wearables, including the Pixel Watch and Fitbit devices. Now, let's talk about some of the new features that we can expect to see in the Google Health app. One of the most exciting features is the ability to track your health and fitness data in one place, with personalized recommendations and insights to help you improve your overall health and well-being. The app will also feature integration with other Google apps and services, such as Google Fit and Google Maps, to provide a more comprehensive view of your health and fitness data. There have been some rumors and leaks suggesting that the Google Health app will replace the Fitbit app, and that the Fitbit brand will be phased out in favor of the Google Health brand, but we don't know if this is confirmed just yet. In terms of the expected release date and price, we don't know too much just yet, but we can expect the Google Health app to be released later this year, with a premium subscription model that will offer additional features and benefits. The pricing will likely be similar to the current Fitbit premium pricing, which is $9.99 per month or $79.99 annually. So, what's our verdict on the Google Health app? From what we've seen so far, it looks like the app is going to be a game changer for the health and fitness industry, with a range of exciting new features and a clean and minimalistic design. We can't wait to get our hands on the app and try it out for ourselves. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest news and updates.